conducted under the guidance of Asfiyama by the class 6 students. Let us begin with morning prayer. Now speech by Swastik.
Good morning everyone. My name is Swastik from grade 6. Today's army speech. Indian Defence Forces are divided into three parts: Army, Navy and Air Force. Everybody knows Indian Army as another name of courage. Indian Army has a long and glorious history which is full of victories over enemies. Indian Army is committed to save the country from land-based attacks by enemy forces. Indian Army is the helping hand of other genius various military operations. It also rescues people from natural calamities occurring in any part of India. Before independence, Indian Army has fought World War I under British rule. After independence, Indian Army has fought many wars and has won most of them. Be it Kashmir War, India-China conflict, India-Pakistan War of 1965, 1971 on Kargil. Indian Army has always showcased its courage and patriotism. Indian Army has its own intelligence called as military operations, military intelligence. Thank you.
A song by Alfie and Sarah.
If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest, tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to go, he won't get tension from me now. Tell my bro to study perfectly, key of my bag will be his permanently. Tell my sister not to be upset, her bro will take a long sleep after sunset. Tell my nation not to cry, cause I'm a soldier born to die. Jai Hind.
Thought for the day by Jeevan.
Salute to those who are safeguarding billions of smiles in our country. Jai Hind.
Amazing facts by Arfa. Amazing facts. The Indian Army is one of the few army in the world that has never initiated a war. Now GK questions by Huzaifa Fatima. When is Army Day celebrated in India every year? Correct answer. Which is the highest rank of Indian Army?
Highest rank of Indian Army?
I repeat my question. Which is the highest rank of Indian Army? Field Marshal. What is the smallest unit of Indian Army called? Correct answer. Thank you all. Now let's